Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Sitting on a gentle slope is this 7-bedroom, 5-bathroom house located in Aberdeen, Brownstown, St. Anne, on approximately 1.1 acre of land. The ground floor has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, plus a self-contained studio apartment with a kitchenette and separate entrance. The first floor has 2 bedrooms and a 1 bathroom, also with separate entrance. The ground floor of the house is fully burglar barred, and there is a large veranda for lounging and taking in the great views of the plain. This property could be an income earning one or a family home, ideally located, being approximately 15 minutes to Puerto Seco Beach, 40 minutes to St. Anne's Bay, and 50 minutes to Ocho Rios. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 29 million or US $188,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.